Thank you and welcome back. Today's English reading, listening exercise is going to be about love and help children. It's very important that we help children when we see the little ones in need. Before we get started, again, as always, please like my page and also subscribe if you have not already done so. After the reading, listening exercise, I will be giving you 3 vocabulary questions for you to answer to see if you understood and comprehended the listening exercise. And I will also give you 3 grammar questions to answer. So with that said, let's get started. Love and help children. In a busy bus station, there is a little girl sitting all alone on a bench. She stares at the floor as all the busy travelers rush around her. She does not move. Some of the people are in such a big hurry that they do not notice her. Other people look at her, but they think, she is not my daughter. She is someone else's responsibility. I am sure her mother and father must be close by. So they continue running to where they need to go. After some time, a man stops next to the girl. He is very tired after a long day of work, and he just wants to get home to his family as quickly as possible. But he cannot just leave this little girl alone. He cannot see her parents anywhere. The little girl is no older than his own daughter, about 6 to 8 years old. The man walks up to the girl and says, "Hello, are you all right? Are your parents here with you?" The little girl does not even look up at him. He gently sits down next to her and touches her shoulder. Now she lifts her head up and he can see that she is crying. The man feels terrible, but he gives her a warm smile and holds out his hand. She looks scared, but she takes his hand and lets him lead her to the bus station information desk. He helps her sit down on a chair next to the desk as he explains the situation to the security guard. The guard makes an announcement over the speakers. "Attention! A young girl is waiting for her parents at the information desk. If you are looking for your daughter, please come immediately. Thank you." A couple of minutes later, a woman comes running towards the desk. As soon as she sees the little girl, she shouts and runs up to her. She lifts the girl into her arms and holds her very tight. Then she separates herself from her daughter and looks at her face while she says, "I am here, Andrea. Everything is okay. I love you, honey." Then she turns and greets the man. "Thank you so much, sir," she says. "We got separated in the crowd earlier. My daughter is deaf, so I could not make an announcement over the speakers for her. I was looking for her everywhere. I was so worried." Now the man understands why the little girl did not look at him until he touched her shoulder. He feels happy that he has helped. It must have been very scary for little Andrea and her mother. He smiles and thinks of how he will tell his family about this experience. He is a father too. He knows how important it is to love and help all children. I hope you understood this listening English exercise. Now I will be giving you 3 vocabulary questions and 3 grammar questions. Here are the vocabulary questions. Number 1, what does gently mean? A, in a confident way. B, in a fast way. C, in a soft way that will not scare someone. Or D, in a logical way. The answer is C, in a soft way that will not scare someone. Did you get that? Number 2, what does deaf mean? A, that someone cannot hear. B, that someone cannot speak. C, that someone cannot see. Or D, that someone cannot feel. The answer is A, that someone cannot hear. Did you get that? And number 3, what does help mean? A, to do something unpleasant. B, to make a plan for something. C, to try something new. Or D, to aid someone and make things easier for them. And the answer is D, to aid someone and make things easier for them. Did you get that? Here are the grammar questions. Number 1, the people in the bus station are A, to in a big hurry. B, in a big hurry. C, of a big hurry. Or D, with a big hurry. And the answer is B, the people in the bus station are in a big hurry. Number 2, thank you. A, so much. B, too much. C, super much. Or D, a lot much. And the answer is A, so much. Thank you so much. And the last grammar question, number 3, he cannot see her parents. A, somewhere. B, everywhere. C, anywhere. Or D, where? And the answer is C, he cannot see her parents anywhere. Well, that's the listening English comprehension exercise today. Please review this exercise often for your learning and comprehension skills. Again, like my page and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Again, it would be greatly appreciated. Have a great day, guys. Until next time. Goodbye.